Hello, my name is Ivanka and I'm a native English speaker. I was born in South Africa on a sunny day. South Africa is a lovely, beautiful country. I lived there for most of my life. And in South Africa, the native language is English. So that's why I've known English since I was a child. And I love the English language. I have a big passion for it. I think it's the language that really connects the whole world together. My parents are Ukrainian, so I can also speak Ukrainian and Russian. I've completed medical school. Whilst finishing medical school, I really understood how I have a need to help others. And after finishing medical school, I did a lot of traveling around Europe, and I noticed how many people lack the knowledge of knowing English. And that's where I decided maybe I should become an English teacher, which led me to complete a TOEFL certificate, and I've got 3 years of experience in teaching English. I've been teaching English online and offline, group works and individually. My teaching style consists of first understanding your main goal for learning English. After that, I take an individual approach. I specialize in different kinds of topics, whether it would be tourism, job interviews, presentation preparation, exam preparation, and so on. I like to motivate my students, so it's important for me to send them homework, because the more you practice, practice makes perfect in the end. I have a teacher-coach approach, so I will always try my best to motivate you and to support you through this journey of learning English. Хотілося б теж додати, що я дуже люблю англійську мову. І я думаю, це прекрасна мова, яка може відкрити багато-багато дверей у ваше майбутнє.